So chat, today we're gonna be going into a game that is, Blue Lock Rivals. Alright, so Blue Lock Rivals. And I'm gonna be joining my friend, and guys, to let you know, I buyed 99,999,999,999. Hold up, let me turn this thing down. Let me turn this thing down. Alright. But I buyed 90. Someone in the back snoozing that. But alright, you can see I have Noggy right now. I have 99,999 spins. We should try to get Kaiser, but let's snooze our spin. Let's snooze our regular spins. Alright, what are we gonna get? If we get Kaiser, I swear. Alright. And if we get Karasu, that would be crazy. But Don Lorenzo was on our screen for 5 seconds. And it just tricked me. Not Rio. I mean, not Rio. Let's just snooze our spins. Alright, so let's try to get Kaiser. Karasu. Alright, chat. We won't get anything good. All we're getting is just legendaries. Why did I even buy 99? All you're gonna get is just legendaries. Because all you get is legendaries because it's a 7% chance. And by the way, getting a real class is 0.25%. So if we go to lucky odds, it's basically 2.5. Lucky odds mean like way better, but all we're gonna get is legendaries. Like all we're gonna get, watch, we're gonna get a legendary. It's like it's not worth it. See? It's not worth it. All we're gonna get is legendaries. See? If I get a legendary, I'm just going with it. Alright, yeah. Noggy it is. And chat, I got every single emote, cosmetic. What should I do, chat? Yeah, that one is not the one. You can even tell the difference of that. You can kinda. Because it's an eye. Ooh, this fits me. Actually, I look blue. No. Ninja cap. No. Should I do